Hey, what's going on, everybody? Here, welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Hey, please, it's totally free. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you're new here, if you like the content, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get right onto it. So let's start off with some crypto news. Uh, it says getting the title here. This is CoinDesk. Getting ready for Bitcoin's catalyst. We all know what that is. And then it says how exchange traded funds and futures contracts can reach TradeFi and turbocharge the growth of crypto markets. Okay, so we have that. And then it says Bitcoin fund holdings hit all time high as spot ETF excitement entices crypto investors. So, we all know what's getting ready to happen. Everybody know we're waiting on that. That's going to be a major catalyst. That's going to be a major catalyst for our whole crypto community, and that's gonna most likely that's gonna pump Bitcoin to 50K. I believe once when the spot Bitcoin ETF get approved, once it goes live, we already know it's gonna go live within between now and like the first week of January. It's gonna happen. I believe Bitcoin is already gonna pump to 50K even before it even happens. I believe Bitcoin today is what November 10th, which means Bitcoin can hit 50K this month, honestly. It can hit 50K this month by the end of this month, I think, or the first week of December. But I think Bitcoin is most likely is going to hit 50K by some. I'll probably say by the first or second week of December, it could possibly hit 50K. It's moving so fast. As of right now, it's at where we at right now, 37,302. It's already been higher than that. It's already got. All right, there's my battery. It's already gotten close to 38K already. But I'll say we could literally be at 40K this weekend. Yep, I'll say by this weekend we can be at about 40K this weekend um with Bitcoin, and it looked like Ethereum is doing good too. Ethereum is at about to hit 2100. Yeah, look like Ethereum is going to hit 2100. But yeah, check out some other news here. Okay, see what CoinDesk talking about. Just reading these headlines. I'm not gonna have time to go and read the whole articles. If you guys want to read the whole articles, you guys can just go to CoinDesk yourself and just click on it, read the articles. I'm not gonna have time for all that. I'm just gonna go over the headlines. Solana's Sol rallies 20% in day, erasing woes of past 18 months. Yep, yep. Solana's doing really good. Solana's is actually doing better than both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And Bitcoin is actually doing good, but Solana's even doing better, which is amazing. That is amazing what Solana's doing. Um, see here. Okay, Polynex hot wallets hacked with 114 million seamlessly stolen on-chain data. Okay, I don't know too much about that one. I think I heard about something like that about a hot wallet being hacked or something like that. Okay, I guess with stolen data. See, that's also going to be part of the narrative, for the next crypto bull run. Protecting data and everything. Protecting our private data. That's going to be also the narrative. With data. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see here. It says meet Midas, a new yield-bearing stablecoin invested in U.S. Treasuries. A new yield-bearing stable. Okay, the proposed stablecoin, which tokenizes ownership of treasuries, mentions BlackRock, Circle, Fireblocks, and confirmed as institutional partners. Alrighty. CME, where's instant? Okay, let me see here. Okay, CME, where institutions trade Bitcoin futures, flip Binance. Is that as bullish as it sounds? Is that as bullish as it sounds? Okay, question mark at the end. Okay, they're gonna okay trade Bitcoin futures, flip Binance. Okay, here's another one. Michael Saylor's massive Bitcoin bet crosses 1 billion in unrealized profit. Yeah, Michael Saylor, man, that guy's the truth. He's pro Bitcoin. He only believes in Bitcoin, but he's winning on his bet. He pretty much went all in on Bitcoin, especially when Bitcoin was at 15K. When everybody was talking bad, talking negative about Bitcoin about a year to year and a half ago, in the middle of our bear market, he kept buying Bitcoin. Now he's in like a billion profit from his Bitcoin buying. He's holding a big bag on Bitcoin. If you guys don't know who Michael Saylor is, matter of fact, I'm gonna do a reaction video. Maybe I may not have time to do it today, but maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do a reaction video watching one of his videos. Man, he knows what's coming with Bitcoin. He knows that Bitcoin is gonna hit eventually 100K, 200K, 300K. He know it's coming. I think by the beginning of 2025, I believe Bitcoin will be at it could be easily be at 200K by the beginning of 2025. Bitcoin can hit 200K, and I stand on that. And I believe that Bitcoin is going to be at about 100. I already said I believe Bitcoin is going to be at 100K by I believe it's going to be at 100K by like June or July, sometime this summer. Bitcoin can hit 100K because that's going to be after the Bitcoin halving in April. After the Bitcoin halving, that's going to be crazy. Um, you know, because we already got the spot Bitcoin ETF that's going to happen, and then the Bitcoin halving, dude, that's just going to send shockwaves through the whole Bitcoin crypto market. A lot of us, it's going to get crazy, man. We're going to start making that life changing money in crypto, and by April, by the Bitcoin halving, things are going to get, whoo, my goodness, it's going to get spicy. And what's crazy is about this crypto bull run is that what's crazy about it is that we're just at the beginning stages. We went through the longest bear market ever, so it's only fair that we're going to go through the longest bull market ever. And what's different about this bull market, we all know, is the institutions are getting into crypto now. All the institutional buyers now. That's what's going to be crazy about this. Like I said, this crypto bull market, like I said, this is going to be the great reset. This is the great reset in the making. Man, I'm gonna be so happy once I make my first 100,000. Once I make my first $100,000, that's gonna be so feel so good. It's like I don't know. It's like it's gonna be a lot of like emotions going through my head, knowing I don't gotta live paycheck to paycheck. I don't have to worry about making rent every month. Like that's gonna be crazy, bro. Like when I make my first 100K, and then what's gonna be crazy about that is that I'm not even gonna be done yet. Like we're not even. That's just going to be the beginning. By 2025, man, I'm going to be up like who knows how much money I'm going to be up by 2025. I ain't going to predict, but I don't even have to be a millionaire, hit a million. But hey, I'll be up a couple of 100,000 by 2025. Hey, I'll be happy with that. There's no point in getting gritty. Then I'm going to do some other smart investing after that. You know, I may even look into real estate, see what's up with that. Maybe invest money in real estate. I'm going to do some other avenues as well. Once you make that life changing money, well, that's the good part about it. Once you get that life changing money, you can do other stuff like, you can get into other ventures. That's what I like about it. But of course, I'm still going to be in crypto, but that crypto is just what's going to it's going to be that's going to be the gateway to financial freedom is the crypto. It's just going to feel good that you could just live the life the way you want to live, just do what you want to do. Um, So yeah, that was some news headlines. Uh, Let me see. I know. Let me click on this right quick. This is CoinDesk. Yeah. Alrighty. Here's the whole article right here of the main headline right here. Yep, it's talking about the whole Bitcoin and everything. Talking about, I guess, they're talking about the pro shares, talking about what's to come. Um, okay, this is interesting. They're saying that some point signs that slate of exchange traded funds that hold actual Bitcoin, known as spot Bitcoin ETFs, may soon be approved by U.S. regulators. Such approval, if granted, will provide investors with additional products to access Bitcoin exposure and may attract participants who may have been sitting on the sidelines. Okay? Approval of the futures based ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BITO, made history in October 2021 as one of the strongest ever ETF launches, amasses more than 1 billion in assets in just 2 days and continue to attract interest. Another popular theory is tied to Bitcoin's upcoming halving. See, the Bitcoin halving. This pre-programmed adjustment to the blockchain cuts in half the reward miners receive for processing transactions and creating new Bitcoin from the current 6.25 to 3.125 Bitcoin per block. This event occurs after 210K blocks are mined, or about every 4 years, until the maximum supply of 21 million is reached. Yep, that's what they say. There's a total of 21 million bitcoins. The next halving, Bitcoin's fourth, is expected to happen in mid-April 2024. That is next year, literally about 6 months away. Okay, in the past, hold on, in this past, excuse me, in the past, this event and the associated supply reduction has coincided with a strong run-up in Bitcoin's price and could potentially lead to pre and post-halving volatility. The geopolitical and macro backdrop for the upcoming halving is very different from previous ones, and the availability of the regulated, robust, and liquid Bitcoin futures and options from CME Group means firms have trusted and tested products to hedge their Bitcoin price risk or gain exposure. There we have it, guys. See, after the whole big spot Bitcoin ETF and then the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin is gonna go crazy. Then it says use futures to position your portfolio. So they're gonna have Bitcoin futures. I can already see them having Bitcoin options. I think they already have Bitcoin options where you could buy a call option or a put option on Bitcoin, whether you want to bet that it's going to go up or down on options trading. I'm not sure if Charles Schwab have it yet, but um, that's gonna be in the making. Like I said, they probably already have Bitcoin like options or whatever. And then on Coinbase, they're already getting it set up for the Bitcoin futures and everything. They're already getting that set up on Coinbase. So yeah, this crypto bull run is gonna be crazy. And this is honestly this is gonna be the last time you can literally make that life changing wealth this bull run. See, I made mistakes from the other bull runs because I just didn't understand crypto back then. I didn't understand how it worked. But now this bear market of bull run is I fully understand how everything is working out. Okay, let's see here. So yeah, guys, just wanted to bring some crypto news there. That's what we have it on CoinDesk. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Hey, please subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. It's um, uh, totally free. Hey, I will see you guys in the next video. Hope everybody's having a good Friday. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, like I said, if you're new here, you like the content, subscribe, hit that like button. It's totally free. It helps the algorithm, helps the information get out there. Hey, I will see you guys in the next one.